So earlier this year, I spent a good chunk of my time down in LA shooting a series for my buddy Austin Maples. The series is called Nothing to Lose, and it was split into two portions. It was like half interviews with him tattooing people and half tutorials where he would teach people to draw traditional stuff like eagles and sacred hearts and stuff like that. And it went really well. We were both really proud of how it turned out, and we did those 8 episodes. And now it's December, and I'm heading back down tonight to shoot 4 new episodes tomorrow. I'm making the trip down the coast. I'm about halfway right now. The first half from San Luis Obispo to Ventura is beautiful. You're driving along the ocean most of the way. It's a really, really nice drive. But the second half from Ventura to LA, not so much. But we got to do it, so here we go. Okay, so everybody knows about Vons, but what the hell is JONS? So here we are, Enjoy Tattoos in Los Angeles, California. And before I get set up, I'm gonna run you guys through all the gear I'm using today for Austin's video. But before I do that, I wanna know how to turn these lights on. And I'm here by myself, so let's figure it out. I gotta go up there. I don't see a switch. Okay, so they're plugged in here, and that goes down the wall into the floor, back downstairs. Nope, this is insane. Maybe it's back upstairs. They're not plugged in there. I guess they're plugged in over there. Okay, I give up. I'm just gonna get set up. Okay, we got this set up. I'm gonna run you through the gear that we're gonna be using, the lighting, cameras, mics, all that stuff. Up top here, I have the Aperture 120D set up with a light box. This is the Light Dome 2, powered right here. And over here I have the stand with a boom arm showing the top-down view of where he's gonna be drawing. And up here, we just have the Canon 80D with a 50mm lens. I have this tripod set up. The camera I'm using right here, the Canon 90D with a 18-35 is gonna be set up right here. And last but not least, I'm gonna be miking him. This is the Tascam DR10L. This thing's awesome. And that's just gonna go under his shirt. The mic's there, and he'll be sitting right there.
Hello.
Dude, you're back.
Finally back.
Okay, quick question.
What is it?
How do you turn on those lights?
From my iPhone.
Fuck! I spent like, I don't know, a good 15 minutes trying to figure that out.
Check it out.
Let's see. Shit.
There's like a little button on the plug too.
Before we get started, you want to do a little tour of the shop?
Yeah. Welcome to Enjoy Tattoos. Let me show you around. Let's start with the bathroom. This is my favorite room in the shop. Got lots of stuff to look at. This sign lets you know what to do in here. Here we got my motorcycle, in case I need a getaway vehicle. Got the relaxation station. Got the ice cube wall. This is my collection of family portraits. Lots of places to make tattoos.
So was this like this when you moved in?
Not at all. Yeah, we had plywood floors, gray walls. We actually built this wall, put in the floors, all the wainscoting, did all the electrical, the painting, the interior design.
Sick.
This is how it turned out.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You wanna see upstairs?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay, follow me. Got a little photo studio, drawing station, little area to relax. That's about it.
Sweet. get back down there and make those tutorials.
Let's get on down there. Terrible ones, but like sparrows.
All right, first one down. What do you think?
I think it's great.
Yeah.
Time for a costume change.
Can't have them thinking you shot these on the same day.
No way. How do I look?
Perfect.
Great. Austin Maples here. If you don't know why you're here, I know why. It's tutorial time. And today we're gonna draw daggers. All right, let's begin. Showing you this little trick. Take your canvas. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. And if you end up drawing some snakes, send me some photos of them. I'd love to see them.
Dude, that was great.
You like it?
Yeah, loved it. So what did we do? You did the...
Snake, the daggers, sparrows, and the butterflies.
If you guys want to click over to Austin's channel and watch these tutorials we just shot today, I'm going to put the link in the description, so just click on that. You can watch those. You can watch the last season. It's a bunch of other tutorials, a bunch of interviews he did with his clients. It's all really, really cool stuff. So yeah, go check that out when you're done here.
You're gonna love it.
So dude, what's this all about?
This is a project that I worked on for the last 3 years. This version is actually the box set version. If we open it up here, I can show you. Inside this box set, we got 2 booklets, these gold edges. So I designed these for tattooers or tattoo aficionados. One book has 50 religious-based tattoo designs designed by me. And then this little book has all of the line drawings in it so that you can make the stencils and tattoo them as is. And it's sold either as a box set like this, that comes with a little custom rosary that is not pictured here, or you can buy just the Holy Bible to keep on your coffee table. Buy it!
All right, dude. Good seeing you today.
You're out of here?
Yep.
It's good to see you.
Good seeing you too. What an excellent trip. If you're not already following Austin, go ahead and give him a follow, and stay tuned. I'll have some more vlogs coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.